the Institute for Frontier Materials with a thesis titled Meeting Halfway, Recycling Spent Batteries. Would you please welcome Henrique Bastos.
When did you last get a new smartphone, a laptop, or a camera? How essential are they in your daily lives? Well, I'm sure if you didn't have them, your work and even your social life would be quite different. All of these devices depend on batteries, and we need them not only for our quality of life, but to help us preserve our nature. In fact, the demand for batteries is expected to grow over 16% every year, with current supply not being able to keep up. At the same time, we'll continue to throw away more than 11 million tons of spent batteries over the next few years. Apart from being dangerous waste, they still contain precious metals such as lithium, cobalt, and nickel. They are critical resources, and their mining is also finite, and in some cases is violating the human rights of local communities. Presently, we are recycling batteries by using highly corrosive chemicals, such as acids, which are needed to break the chemical bonds holding metals together in the battery. The problem is, during this recycling process, more harmful waste is generated, which kind of defeats the whole sustainability purpose, right? Well, more sustainable chemicals are being researched by using combinations of salts and alcohols. However, their application is still complex and too expensive. So this is where my research comes in, as an attempt to meet halfway. I'm using the alcohol components of these complex chemicals, such as ethylene glycol, which you already use as a coolant in your car, and I'm combining them with really low amounts of acids, just enough to trigger the metal extraction process. But we need a bit more energy to compensate the reduction of these complex chemicals. So what's better than adding some electricity back into these spent batteries? This way, I'm purifying metals even further, up to the point where I can separate them from each other and reuse them to make new products. This electrochemical recycling process ends up being a great balance between cost, efficiency, and sustainability. And it also allows us to reuse these precious metals into making a new generation of batteries. So the next time that you use your smartphone, your laptop, or your camera, you won't feel like you're contributing to generating more toxic waste, but doing your share in this new circular economy. And this new economy has to start today, as these batteries will power our future.